having me moved from the People's Democratic Party to the APC, I think it's a jolly good movement, and I'm excited that I have a much greater opportunity to be heard directly by the government, and not for my voice to be heard from a partisan point of view. Because being part and parcel of the ruling party now, whatever advice or contributions I will make will not be looked upon with suspicion. They will now know that I'm saying it from a patriotic point of view, and from the fact that I want things to work better in the country, and I'm eager to contribute my quota towards the success of President Muhammadu Buhari's administration. And I think that is the most important part of the movement from the PDP to the APC. And many of you did not have the privilege of hearing from me before I moved. I was interacting with very young children from Pan-African Comprehensive Secondary School in Akwa Ibom, who came to watch the proceedings of the House of Representatives, and they sought to see me. And whilst I was interacting with them, one of the little kids there asked me, "Why did you move from the PDP to the APC?" And I looked at the child and I said, "You will be a politician in future," for asking that question. And I think the question is still very germane. I told the child I moved in the national interest. I saw a kind of slide towards disorder, where many of my colleagues saw defection as a weapon to destabilize the administration of President Muhammadu Buhari. And I don't believe that we should bring a government into being without supporting that government to succeed. Because if the administration slides and Nigeria slides into anarchy, it is our children that will suffer. We will not be able to build a better future for our children. So I moved in order to stabilize the polity. And I also moved taking cognizance of the number of appointments this administration has given to children of Akwa Ibom State, and also the kind of programs and activities lined up that will benefit the South people, the Niger Delta. For instance, in 16 years of the administration of PDP in Nigeria, I did not see 1 kilometer of road that was done in my state, in Akwa Ibom State, because every politics is local. And so when this government decided to dualize the road that traverses Akwa Ibom to Calabar, and they have actually started it. I knew there was need to support the government so that that can come to fruition. And you can imagine that road was done by Fujiro far back in 1975 and was supposed to be resurfaced 7 years after. But for over 45 years, that road had remained that way. And the result was continual potholes and continuous cut-off. So without the airport that was constructed and completed by my administration, there is no way Akwa Ibom people would have access even planes to travel from Calabar, because the road is continually a death trap, accidents occurring on a daily basis and all that. So I want to thank this administration, because not only have they given the contract, the contractor has been mobilized, and as I speak now, work has started on that road. And so it's very personal. I move also to attract dividends of democracy more to my people, and to support a government that has decided to look at the South-South not just with rhetorics, but with concrete evidence of action. And so from a national perspective, and also from the local perspective, there was need for me as a leader to support such an administration